The Kendo UI Bootstrapper is a standalone utility that's designed to complement your Kendo UI app development workflow by providing support for app scaffolding, performing live updates to running apps, running static analysis on project code, and producing optimized build assets. It's not an IDE. Rather, the Kendo UI Bootstrapper is the perfect complement to whichever IDE you're using today. The Kendo UI Bootstrapper is available during its beta period at labs.kendoui.com. Download and install the tool by following the instructions included in the README for the project. Once you've got the Bootstrapper up and running, and you've pointed the product to your Kendo UI source, you're ready to create a new project. Simply click the New Project button in the upper left project pane, enter a name and destination directory, and the Bootstrapper will configure a new project complete with a working sample. The Bootstrapper also ships with a built-in web server, so running your app is a snap. Just click the Preview button, and a new window will appear to run your app. You can also import existing apps into the Kendo UI Bootstrapper. Just click on the Import Project button and double-click into the directory for your project. Once you click OK, your project will be loaded up into the Bootstrapper. You can preview the app and leverage other built-in features that the Bootstrapper has to offer right away. The Kendo UI Bootstrapper Live Preview feature not only allows you to quickly view your app while you are making changes, but it auto-refreshes your app when you make a change to tracked files. Edits to JavaScript, CoffeeScript, and HTML pages will trigger a page reload, while changes to LESS and CSS files cause only the relevant CSS to be reevaluated, enabling you to view your changes while preserving the current state of your app. Adding new HTML, JavaScript, and CSS files to your project is easy, and the Kendo UI Bootstrapper supports adding new files, importing existing local files into your project, and also including remote library files like AngularJS, jQuery, Backbone, Moment, and more. All you need is a remote URL, and the Bootstrapper takes care of the rest. JavaScript is an expressive and powerful language, but it can often be frustrating to see simple errors surface during testing, or worse, in production. The Kendo UI Bootstrapper ships with a full version of JS Hint, enabling you to perform static analysis on all tracked files and catch errors before you execute your code. In addition to providing static analysis on your generic JavaScript code, the Kendo UI Bootstrapper leverages a new tool called the Kendo Linter, a static analysis tool designed to catch Kendo UI-specific call and configuration errors. If your code includes an error either in declarative or imperative widget declaration, or in a widget-specific call or configuration, Kendo Lint will catch the error, at which point you can use the built-in Kendo UI documentation to fix the error and move on with your app. No more hunting around giant configuration objects for a simple misspelling. Once you're ready to deploy your app, the Bootstrapper can help you create the leanest and meanest app around. Selecting the Compile option will automatically minify all project assets. Selecting Optimize Images will perform automatic image optimization on all of your project's images, saving you valuable bytes. The Build Kendo option is one you don't want to miss. This option will inspect your project's usage of Kendo UI and determine the smallest possible build of Kendo that you need for your app. In this case, we're going from nearly a megabyte for Kendo UI Complete to a mere 120K, a more than 80% savings in file size. Finally, there's the Bundle option. This option performs minification and image optimization and can even concatenate all of your script files into one compact resource. The bundler then provides a zip archive that's ready for deployment to your test, staging, or production servers. The Kendo UI Bootstrapper will be in beta for the next few months. We'd love to have you try it out, offer suggestions, and tell us what you think. To get started, head on over to labs.kendoui.com and download the Bootstrapper today.